Every once in a while, life changes in a way that you don't expect. For me, I ended up having two beautiful daughters. They make me so incredibly happy. But obviously, with changes in life, you're not always the same person that you used to be. Interests change, priorities change, and let's be honest, you don't have the spare time that you used to. But every once in a while, something comes along and finds its way into your life, and you find that little glimmer of who you used to be. For me, it was cars. I love cars. I've been a mechanic for 10 years. I've worked on Volkswagen, Audis, Porsches, Maseratis, and most recently, Teslas. But I kind of lost that passion for fun cars. Well, something came along into my life, and it's bringing that passion back. Here it is, my 1985 Porsche 944. Beautiful one-owner vehicle. I bought this from the owner, the original owner. She bought it here locally in town before the dealership ended up closing and moving into Toronto. But you can see this thing is in really good shape. Obviously not perfect, but in very, very good condition. The lady had it stored in her garage for about 7 years, never ran in that period of time. I think she said she may have run it once or twice in that period of time, but the last time she put gas in it, she filled it and put in a stabilizer. So it's been sitting in her garage for 7 years. We have a little bit that we have to fix, but all in all, hopefully my iPhone adjusts, which it doesn't. It is in pretty decent shape. Now, I did a lot of cleaning to it. I still have to vacuum this side, front and back, but it's in really good shape. I just cleaned these seats, so that's why you see a little bit of wetness there. The dash has a tiny little bit of cracking in it, so does the windshield, but that I've got on order to replace. You can see nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Beautiful sport seats with just a little bit of wearing on the piping here on the leather, but all in all, in very, very good condition. So, yeah, I've already started it. It runs quite amazingly. All I had to do was spray a tiny little bit of mass airflow cleaner inside of the J-boot here, and it pretty much started right up, surprisingly.
always think you can oil filter. Because it probably is one.
I'm very shocked that it ran so well on basically Varsol because the fuel's been sitting for such a long time. I checked the timing belt. Timing belt looks good. The balance shaft belt looks brand new. The cam belt looks older. There's a tiny little bit of micro cracking in it, but I do have that on order and I will be replacing it at my own time. This is just from a leaking hose. And down here, I don't really know, probably a coolant temperature sensor or a sender on the side of the head there. But all in all, in really good condition, needs a good cleaning. I'm gonna take off this valve cover, I think at some point, clean it right up, get it redone, refinished in its original color, probably clean up that intake manifold as well. But it is beautiful. It is my Porsche. Never thought I would own one a day in my life, but here we are. Beautiful, beautiful car. And, oh, gotta fix that. We even have some of the original invoices, some of the last invoices from when the vehicle was worked on. So got a good history on it, uh, maintained by a local Porsche specialist, which is now going to be myself. Got this one here that I'm working on, but this is my 944. Stay tuned if you want to see more.